Top Trump marathon, we've got the final collections here. ERS have selected 9 vehicles. I've selected my favourite 9 vehicles that we've each won. And now it is time to reveal who has the best collection. ERS start big with the Valkyrie. They've got the V8 Vantage. They've got my AMG GTS, which I absolutely love. And then when the classics come in, DB5, F40, E-Type, and a Shelby Mustang. Absolute icons. And then 2 really smart motorhomes too, equating to £300,000 in value. So some very, very strong cars. Meanwhile, me, I've got a lot of Lamborghinis, but I've also got 2 of my own cars, so that has to be taken into consideration. Lamborghini Countach, SVJ, Huracan, but then we have the Element Palazzo, £2.4 million, and then we've also got the Auto House for the, the little road trips. But there we have the collections in all of their glory. Let me know which one you think is the best. I personally think I've won, but ERS are very confident, so let me know in the comments what you think. I've had so much fun, and I will see you very soon for the next video. ERS are the largest A+ rated specialist motor insurer in the UK and are celebrating their impressive and extensive car collections insurance. Whether it's supercars, classics, motorhomes, quad bikes, if it's got 4 wheels, ERS's specialist team of underwriters are here to help and will manually underwrite your unique collection to configure the right cover.